Everybody, welcome back to Epic Beauty Fail. I'm Jessica. On today's video, I'm going to be unboxing my October Glossybox. So I just wanted to give you guys a heads up. I know I said that I was going to start doing head-to-head unboxings, and I did do them in September, but I'm running into a little bit of a problem with that. I do typically put together a posting schedule prior to the month. And I plan out my videos and I plan out what I'm going to do and what products I'm going to be using. And, you know, if I have a haul coming or if I'm doing a get ready with me or my, you know, if I'm doing a challenge video, that sort of thing. I do try to do that at least like by the end of September for October. And I'm running into a little bit of problem this month because today is October 8th. I'm recording this on Monday night. It's going to be posting on Wednesday the 10th. And as of today, the 8th, I have not gotten any shipping notices for any of my boxes other than my Glossybox. And then of course my Walmart box that posted today on the 8th on Monday. I don't know when any of my boxes are coming. I have no clue. And I'm actually going to be traveling next week. I'm traveling from the 15th through the 21st. 15th through the 21st. I'm traveling. I'm going to be letting you guys know here very, very soon. There's going to be some big things coming that I'm going to be working on with my sister who's been on this channel before. I'm going to actually be having her on my channel here very soon. And we're going to be telling you guys what we're going to be doing. If you don't follow me on my vlog channel, I've already talked to my vlog channel about that. The link is in the description, and I'll be honest, my vlog channel, I show you everything. If I'm having a bad day and I'm in tears, you guys see that I'm having a bad day and I'm in tears. If I'm having a good day, you see that too. Most of the time, my life's pretty boring, so I will warn you, I post daily. I post a vlog every single day, and some days it's just simply that I got up, I went to work, and I came home. Just a warning. Just a warning. But anyhow, I'm totally off topic and I apologize for that. I'm going to be unboxing my Glossybox today, and I typically would have put this up against my BoxyCharm. A lot of people have already gotten their BoxyCharms. A lot of people got their BoxyCharms like last week. And again, I haven't even gotten notice that mine is shipped yet. So I have no idea when it's going to show up. For all I know, all of my boxes are showing up while I'm out of town. I don't know. So I'm going to open for you my Glossybox today. And we're going to go ahead and pull the lid out of here, untie the string. There is a booklet, as always, in the Glossybox. And I'm going to open the paper. Let's see it together. Okay. All right. There it is. I'm not super excited as of right now, but that could change. That could change. A little nervous. I'll tell you why in a little bit. But anyway, here is the packet or the booklet that comes with it. It tells you about all of the products. And oh, there it is. I thought I was missing a product, but it's actually under something else. Okay, I'm going to put this over here and I will be reading from that as I go. I will tell you right now, I'm a little disappointed because there's no makeup in this box at all this month. None. And that upsets me. Typically, Glossybox is a mixture of makeup and skincare. And I'll be honest with you, I used to unbox a box called Look Fantastic. It came from the UK. It actually shipped from the UK to the US. And I used to like that box a while ago, about a year and a half ago. I'm going on 2 years of doing unboxings, but about a year and a half ago, I loved Look Fantastic. I absolutely adored that box. It was amazing. You got some really unique things in it. But then it kind of changed from being a partially makeup, partially skincare, hair care box to almost being exclusively skincare and hair care. I only bring that box up because Glossybox and Look Fantastic are actually related in some way. If you go out and look them up on the internet, there is a connection between these two subscription boxes. I'm not exactly sure what the connection is, but there is a connection between these two subscription boxes. I know that because of the way the website's built and the way the credit card processing and that sort of thing, it's the same exact website with a different wrapper on it. the same issues I had with Look Fantastic and how their credit card like checkout and everything worked is the same issues I have with Glossybox. So I know that they are in some way connected. I just don't know exactly what that connection is. Anyway, I bring that up because I canceled Look Fantastic box because it went from being a mixed box to almost exclusively skincare and hair care. And every once in a while I will get a box from Glossybox and it will be a skincare hair care box, and I get very nervous because of the way that Look Fantastic went. This makes me nervous. So, all right, that's a lot of rambling. I'm going to go ahead and get into the box. All right, I'm going to go ahead and pull this item out right here. It is an Invisibobble Spiral Hair Ring meets Scrunchie. I'm hearing that scrunchies are back in style, which is kind of pretty amazing because I love scrunchies and I wear them all the time. I've really gotten into wearing my hair down more recently here in the last couple of months since I've started working from home a lot more. But anyway, I digress. So this is the Invisibobble Scrunchie. Bringing the 80s back, the Invisibobble's Scrunchie gives you the blast from the past look you want with the modern technology you need. The integrated spiral hair ring prevents tugging and pulling while keeping your hair in place, giving you the ultimate in comfort without sacrificing style. It has a little tidbit here for your Invisibobble Scrunchie is in need of a clean. Just submerge it in water with a little detergent, swirl it around, rinse it off with clean water, and then hang it up to air dry. I'm going to go ahead and pull this out of here because I want to see what it actually feels like. Oh, it's velvet. Okay, that's interesting. It's actually like a velvet material. I will definitely use this. Like I said, the days that I go into the office, which I do go into the office on occasion, a couple times, you know, at least once a week I go into the office, I do still pull my hair back into a ponytail. So typically if you're seeing me in a video with my hair pulled back, it's a day that I went to my office. Not that you guys really need to know that, but whatever. Invisibobble. I like that. That's not bad. All right, this next item is a little bit different of a product. This is from Montauk. It says it's Salt Air Cucumber, and it is a candle. Okay, that's weird. I'm going to try to show you this. I hope my camera is going to pick it up. Let's see if it'll focus. I think it is. Do you see there that it's wet? I think my camera's picking it up. It looks wet. That's just really, really weird. I'm not sure why that is that way, but okay. All right, I'm going to read to you from the card. This says this is the Montauk Candle, Salt, Air, and Cucumber. Salty air, cucumber, and seagrass come together for the perfect handcrafted scent to add the air of indulgence to your bathroom routine. Once you've burned your candle all the way down, use the glass container as a jewelry holder or a decorative addition for around your house. There's a tip to get the most out of your candle every time you burn it. Trim the cotton wick after each use. This ensures you'll maximize your scent diffusion for the ultimate dose of relaxation. So a candle. Again, something interesting. That's one of the reasons why I liked the Look Fantastic box, because it would always have something a little bit different. All right. This is from Georgette Klinger. It is a rose clarifying toner. And there's a safety seal, so I am not going to open that. But here's the package. Okay. This is from Georgette Klinger, Rose Clarifying Toner. It's a botanical blend of witch hazel, antioxidants, and aloe vera. Dissolves dirt to deep clean your pores while maintaining healthy hydration and pH balance. Not only does it clean your skin, but rose, lavender, and jasmine flower extract help keep the grease off your face throughout the day. There's a tip to maximize benefits. Apply twice a day with a cotton ball or pad. When the cotton comes up clean, you're ready to apply your favorite hydrating cream. And there is a coupon code. You can receive 20% off your order at georgetteklinger.com when you use the code GLOSSY20, and it is valid until December 1st, 2018. All right, the next item is from Chou. I'm probably pronouncing that completely wrong, and I do apologize. I just don't know how to pronounce it. So here it is. Okay. And this is the Chou, something along that line. I don't know. Supreme Revitalizing Mask. Bring weightless bounce and volume to your hair with Pei Xiao's signature tea complex. A mixture of 5 different kinds of teas, the blend protects, repairs, exfoliates, nourishes, and strengthens hair all at once. Nourishing damaged cuticles, this hair mask will make your hair shine. And there is a tip. After applying a generous amount to your hair, use a wide tooth comb to brush through your hair from root to tip. This helps ensure the mask gets applied to every last strand of hair. I wonder if this is a leave-in. Okay, leave in 5 minutes and rinse. So there you go, a hair mask. Let's see if it is safety sealed. It is safety sealed, so that's nice. Okay. This next item is from Lumene. It's the Purity Dewdrops Hydrating Eye Gel. All right. This is an eye gel, and it's half an ounce in here, I think. Yes, half an ounce. Give the skin around your eyes the hydration it needs with Lumene's eye gel. A combination of pure Arctic spring water and organic Nordic birch sap promotes a healthy and hydrated look for the delicate skin around your eye. The exclusive Hydra technology keeps your skin hydrated throughout the day. And there's a tip. Before using the gel, carefully cleanse the area to ensure that your skin is fully open to absorbing Lumene's hydrating formula. I am going to go ahead and open this because I know I'll use this. I often will not open things that have safety seals because I'm just not sure that I'm going to use it, but I'm fairly certain I'm going to use this. So like 99.9% certain. Okay, so it is literally a gel. I'm going to put a little bit out on the back of my hand. And it's totally clear, so I just want to see what it feels like. That's what it looks like. It's just a blue tube. Okay. Doesn't have a scent. Oh, just a little bit, just like a fresh scent. All right. Like I said, I'm pretty sure I will definitely use that. I definitely have dry under eyes, so definitely going to use that product. All right, and then the last item in here is, it's actually a really pretty color. This is from Nails Inc. London, and it is a nail polish in the shade Victory Place. And it is a very pretty shade. Very pretty. I might actually use this. I don't know. I'm terrible. I really should paint my nails. I used to love doing it when I was like a teenager. Used to paint my nails all the time. Anyway, Nails Inc. It's the Victory Place nail polish. Bringing the nail salon to the comfort of your home, Nails Inc.'s exclusive brush is designed to work with the shape of your nail, giving you a flawless finish. With tons of beautifully rich colors to choose from, you'll love the glossy, long-lasting color that comes in every bottle. Tip: wait for the first coat to dry completely before applying a second coat, about 2 minutes. Polish adheres better to a dry layer, meaning your manicure will last longer. I think it's a pretty shade. I think it's a really pretty shade. How do I open it? I just pull it up? Oh, you have to pull... Ahaha! Okay, that just pulls off. That actually is probably a lot easier to use, just this little brush rather than like that big lid. Alright, it's definitely a pretty color. It's not super fall, but it's very nice nude shade. And I would consider using that. So there you go. Okay. So for my Glossybox, again, not a single thing of makeup at all, which concerns me. And I explained all that already. So I got the nail polish, the candle, which is actually kind of neat, the clarifying toner, the hair mask, the hydrating eye gel, and the Invisibobble. So I did get 6 things, which is nice, but not a single stitch of makeup, which doesn't make me happy. So there's that. Overall, do I think this box was okay? It was okay. It was okay. I don't look at spoilers for Glossybox. I don't know why. Not a lot of people seem to really open this box anymore. And maybe it's because they're getting more into skincare. I don't know. I don't know. It does, like I said, it does concern me a little bit. Now, I will say that the theme for this month is retreat. So maybe that's why it has like a bunch of like pamper products rather than makeup products. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know what their thinking is. They don't consult with me before they put together the box. So anyhow, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up down below. If you haven't already and you would like to be, please hit that red subscribe button. And don't forget to hit the little bell to notify you when I do upload new videos. And if you have any comments, leave those in the comment section down below. What do you think of this Glossybox? Do you think it's worth $21? I think it's probably worth $21, to be honest with you. Given the products that are in here, I will probably use the hair mask. I will probably use the eye gel, and I will at least try the toner. And I like the Invisibobble. I will definitely put the candle not in my bathroom but in my living room and probably burn this. The only product in here that I may not use is the nail polish. I have a whole shelf over here of nail polishes, and I just don't do my nails. I used to love doing my nails, and I really keep telling myself that I'm going to get back into it. And I think my problem is that they always chip so fast. Like, they always chip super fast. And my nails have a tendency to break. I work on computers all day, so I'm always typing. Whether it's in my personal life with, like, doing YouTube stuff, or my professional life, I am on a computer all day long, every day. I mean, I'm pretty much on a computer from, like, 8 o'clock in the morning until, like, 8 or 9 or 10 o'clock at night most days. So, unless I go to the gym or whatever. Anyway, what did you think of this box? Put that in the comment section down below. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you on the next Epic Beauty Fail. Bye!